So you want to make money on YouTube. You've made a few videos, started a channel, have managed to grab some subscribers and a few thousand views, and you are ready to step up your game, but you don't know how. You start seeing ads promising you a solution to become a YouTube mogul, gain thousands of subscribers and hundreds of thousands in views, and make a living through monetization. Stay tuned to the end, and we will provide you with a link to the most definitive guide you will need to become successful with YouTube, and it's free. And back to the ads, while these ads tout huge gains for you, they come at a price, anywhere from $297 to $1,497 per course. The question is, are they worth it? The answer is no, and we'll tell you why. There are several companies and individuals who are selling these courses. One of their buzz phrases is they wish that they had these resources available when they started because it would have saved them a lot of time and money and gotten them to where they are now much quicker. That statement undervalues the learning process. You learn by doing and repeating a process over and over until it becomes second nature as you get better and better. One course seller has testimonials from students on the selling page. The students offer glowing referrals about how much the course helped them grow their business, etc. But when you look up the channels belonging to the students, you see lackluster results. Very few subscribers and very few page views. And this is for a course selling for over $500. It will be years before these students begin to see a return on their investment, assuming they don't get discouraged by lackluster results and move on to something else altogether. There are more people having good and even great success with their channels who never bought a course. They did their own research and took the necessary time to find good resources. There are plenty of good resources available that won't cost you a penny, although it will take you some time to find the good ones. The agony comes with the lame ones. You can spend way too much time on these without realizing how bad they truly are. The bad ones usually start out promising you newly discovered secrets and techniques that only they know, which they promise to reveal in a free webinar. The webinar accomplishes two things. It captures your time and attention, and it turns into a 60 to 90 minute sales pitch promising more secrets and techniques after you agree to 3 monthly payments of $300 each. These people are very good at selling you a dream, but not very good at making it come true. You get just enough information to grab your attention. There are plenty of lame ones out there, and they are pretty easy to spot once you've been exposed to a few of them. As we promised in the beginning, the link in the description will take you to a guide that we have found that will teach you all the fundamentals that you will need to be a success with YouTube. We wish you luck, stay focused, stay on track, and work the plan.